I'm wearing a wig today. Welcome to my channel. I'm wearing a wig that I got a couple days ago. It is a synthetic, meaning it's not heat friendly. It is an older style, and I thought, should I share it with you or not? And I will. So I'm making this video when I was wearing it, making a previous video, and so you will see I'm wearing the same clothes as probably a couple weeks ago. This is the, I'll get the box, the NV style called Belinda. It is in dark blonde, and it is in a ponytail right now. So that's how I've been wearing it. It's a pretty hot summer day. And so I'm gonna take the ponytail out and I will tell you my thoughts on it. All right, see how long it is? It's quite long, quite long. I will go back a bit. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the whole side of it. So this is the front. This is one side. It's kind of messy, I haven't combed it lately. Here is the back, and it's just coming out of the ponytail. Hopefully you can see it all. And here's another side. I will give myself a facelift as I'm showing that to you. And here's the front. And you will notice, those of you who are into wigs, you will notice that there is no rooting. And I think it's my first wig I've ever gotten that doesn't have rooting. And I kind of like it. It looks so natural, super natural. My comb here, and I'm just gonna comb the part. I'm gonna loosen it up. I have a 22.5 circumference around my head. And, oh, by the way, it has lace. It has lace hairline, which looks kind of natural. So I have a 22.5 circumference, and I have started wearing, I think I showed in a previous video, I've started wearing, it's my dog making noise, topper wig grips, just because it gives me kind of more comfort in my styles that are not large size caps, but that are average. And right now, under this wig, I have something very similar to this, which I've shown in the past. This, I think it's a Milani wig grip. This one, my dog grabbed when it fell on the floor and was chewing it. I'm hoping that the string does not break. I'm thinking, there goes $24. No way, girl, no way. Anyway, so I do like this color, the dark blonde. It was hard for me to choose, but I had seen someone wearing it in a YouTube video and in a different style, and I thought, I kind of want to try that, and I did. I'm glad I did. When I first got it, I took it out of the box and it didn't seem that stretchy, and I was like, oh no, am I gonna have to send it back? Is it not gonna fit me? But I put it on and I was pleasantly surprised that it fit. It is a wefted style, and I believe, I'm gonna say that there is probably a left side, I don't wanna take it off, I wanna keep it on, a left-sided area to part it, monofilament area there. The ear tabs, let me show you where my hair is. My hair is visible, but it's pretty similar to the wig. And the ear tab is a open tab. It is pretty good. At first I thought that the metal was wimpy, but I like it. They're kind of open. They hit me here. When I put on my glasses, I like to put them under my wig, under my wig grip. I never have any trouble with that. What else can I tell you about it? It has kind of an open back nape. It has the little buckle bra strap adjusters. I mean, they're not the kind that you can pull and have a tail. They're the kind you have to kind of like maneuver through, thread around to adjust. Not my favorite style, but this works for me. So I'm really happy with this particular style. the Envy Belinda in synthetic. Can't heat treat it. I'm gonna put it back in a ponytail because it is a hot day. And I like it's very low density. That's another thing that appealed to me about this style. I'm gonna put it back in a ponytail. I'll show you what it looks like as I go around in a circle. There's that. There you go. And I'm gonna turn, give myself my facelift again. And there you go. I hope that was helpful if you are into wigs and if you're looking at wigs and if you haven't tried Envy before. This is my first Envy and I'm thinking, yeah, I really like this. I'm trying not to buy more wigs. I think I have plenty right now, but every once in a while, I just can't resist. I hope you have a really good day. Bye-bye.